In this video, I'll show you how to change your Windows wallpaper. If you have been wanting to learn how to change your Windows wallpaper, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you need to do, head over to your desktop background, right? This is our desktop background. Then right click your mouse. Once you have right clicked your mouse, scroll down to the personalize option. Click on this. Then tap on this background. So this is it. If you want to change your desktop wallpaper, you can select any images of your choice. You can select this. Once I've clicked this, I would minimize this. So this is it. I've changed our desktop wallpaper. So I can still go back. I can click this. It will change automatically. I can click this. It will change automatically. I can click this as well. It will change automatically. So this is how you can change your desktop wallpaper. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.